Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the hanger and going straight to the Emblems/Decals tab. This saves time and puts you where placement happens. Once there, select the tank you want and confirm the camo layer and decal slots are available so you can actually attach art. Make sure your decals are in the inventory, default, purchased, or your custom upload, because trying to place a missing decal wastes clicks. This step ensures the right canvas and assets are ready before you place anything. You now pick a decal and drag it onto the tank model. Do this slowly so you see how it conforms to angles. Once attached, you scale and rotate handles to match armor contours. This is why rotation and mirroring matter, so decals don't wrap oddly across edges. Then adjust layer order to keep numbers or emblems visible over base markings. Finally, nudge the decal with arrow keys for pixel-level alignment, because small shifts make graphics look professionally applied rather than slapped on. You finish by saving the customization and previewing the tank from multiple angles and under different camouflage presets so nothing clips or disappears. Once satisfied, export or share the decal layout if you want backups or to use it on other vehicles. If you encounter issues like disappearing decals or texture seams, first clear the game cache and reload the hanger. If that fails, remove and reapply the decal or change its layer. This usually fixes rendering or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.